Yo, what's up? This is a test I've got planned for tomorrow. It's going to be very windy. So that's the 24 volt dump load set up. No wires are going to get squeezed broken. That's about 12 litres of water in there. I've got it hooked up, the DC from the rectifier, which is the top of the turbine, comes down there. It's going through a meter and then it goes to this dump load. And what actually starts happening is this meter, it's not on now because there's no wind. This meter will not come on until approximately 6 or 7 volts are coming through. By the time, if it's connected like this, by the time 6 or 7 volts are coming through, it's making about 5 amps, which is strange, but yeah, who knows. So the potential problems with this experiment is A, the turbine could destruct because it's very windy and I'm not going to be about most of the day. And also, if there's a lull in the wind and it goes below the 7 volts, 5 amps, then the meter will turn off, which would be annoying because then I wouldn't have a full record of what's been going on. But on the positive side, having this connected straight to the turbine means there's always something for the turbine to do, that it will struggle, especially when it gets to higher voltage. But yeah, so we'll see tomorrow. I've put up the wind speeds before this bit of the video, and then tomorrow night I'll do an update, see how it's got on. Hopefully it's all still in one piece. In a bizzle.